Hello everyone. We had a problem with our Growy bathtub faucet fixture. Every time I'd use the hot water, there was black stuff kept coming out of the left-hand hot side of the faucet. So we removed the valve portion, which is the hot side, and this is what was coming out of this rubber portion. You can see this stuff coming out. This is what was coming out into the water. So if you have this problem with black specks, kind of oily, rubbery feeling, they're tiny little specks in your hot water, probably want to change this valve. It was about 30 bucks. Here's the box that we ordered it. Got it from a plumbing supply. My husband changed it out, and no more black specks coming out of the hot side of the bathtub faucet. It's probably this gasket here is breaking down is the problem. So to answer your questions about black specks getting in your hot water in your bathtub, this is probably a possible solution. All right, I hope this helps you. Bye-bye.